me or something. It's your fault.
Well, I don't know, but she... Oh! Shit!
Damn, he's a hunky little bastard, isn't he?
I'm rolling up this window. I'm scared.
Okay.
No! Oh, God. I'm really scared of these things.
Are you?
Yes! Look at that. Look at that guy.
I know.
Look, he's leaving snot on my window.
Oh.
He is. I don't like it. They're like giant snakes with legs and feathers. Oh, shit! Ah! I don't like it. I don't like it. Have you ever seen Hitchcock?
Yes. Okay, bye-bye, mister.
No.
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 He figured it out. He's not stupid. Just hope I don't run his feet over. Okay, good.
Oh.